Kakatapos lang nag-tech rehearsal namin for our performance. And what can you say?
Wow! Ano, na-struggle ka ba sa rehearsal?
I think kasi syempre yung character ko dito is ako yung struggling.
Yeah.
And I think struggling talaga ako in real life sa sayaw na to. I just laid it all on the dance floor. And grabe, sobrang thankful talaga ako kay Ate Dance.
Grabe.
Kasi yung character niya dito, siya yung self ko na positive thinking. And na-feel ko talaga yun while we were doing it kanina sa tech rehearsal. Yung na-feel ko yung love niya and yung support niya and yung belief niya in me.
Mahirap kasi pag partner na parang nakafocus lang sa steps. Pero ikaw, nakikita talaga.
Yeah.
You're really putting your effort and yung feeling talaga. Parang actress ka na nga. Nakakadaan mo kanina.
Yes!
Nabuhat. Kaya super confident ka eh.
Yes! Let's go! Yes! Coach Maki!
The best choreographer.
Antayin nyo tong performance sila na to. Sobrang sitwaya dito. Ibang-ibang sitwaya dito. Pati si Dasuri.